In this video, we're going to go over how you can get the magic coin in Clash Royale. This is going to be a full breakdown right here. Before we do dive into this though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for even more Clash Royale content like this. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more Clash Royale stuff. Now, the magic coin is an extremely useful item here in Clash Royale. What it does is it pretty much lets you instantly upgrade any card to the next level without spending a single gold coin. Super useful, super overpowered, but here's the catch. Clash Royale has only ever given away the magic coin for free once, and that was a long time ago. Since then, there's not been a single way to earn it without spending money. Your only option to get the magic coin right now is to back out and go to the shop and look for special offers where the magic coin is sometimes included in bundles or limited time deals. As of right now, it's currently not included in anything, at least in my shop. But yeah, that is the only way to get a magic coin here in Clash Royale. If this video did help, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for even more tutorials just like this. But before you leave, I definitely recommend checking out some of the other Clash Royale videos we do have on the channel right now because there's a lot of useful stuff on there that could definitely help you out. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.